Hey guys, Brad here. Random pack opening time. Figured I'd go for a walk, clear my head, but I swear, I saw something out here earlier. So, fittingly, today's pack is Innistrad Remastered. You know, monsters, vampires, werewolves. Yeah, feels appropriate. Okay, maybe not that appropriate. Alright, let's open this one before my imagination gets the better of me. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not my imagination this time. Wait, hold up. No way. Is that Temporal Mastery Borderless? Okay, that might actually be worth getting eaten over. Alright, that's it. Pack opened. Gotta go.